Hello and welcome to today's session. In this video, we're going to be explaining how to split columns into multiple columns, split content in a cell into multiple columns. I have this example of data gotten from the web. It's the wealthiest men in Africa, some of the wealthiest men in Africa, and the way the data came is not in the best format. So I'll need to split this general column into columns or rows. So let's do that. So I go on to the data tab and then I go to get data, then from other sources, from table or range, and since it has identified my table, it just brings me into Power Query Editor. So in Power Query Editor, I need to split this general column. There's a split column feature that comes in very handy, and it has different ways you can split our data. In this case, we're going to use delimiter. So we're splitting by a delimiter, but remember that there's no common delimiter in this column, so we're just going to use custom. So the next thing is to choose whether you're splitting by columns or by rows. In this case, we're splitting by column. And then we have to check this box that says split using special characters, and then check this place that says line feed. So once we choose that, a function pops up here, #if, and it just helps you to split it into different columns. Then you click on OK, and your data has been splitted in a very good manner. So I'll just duplicate this table so that we can see how we can work on it when we are working on rows. I'll delete the steps that we took earlier, and remember, you just highlight the column you want to split, go to split column feature, click on by delimiter, choose the kind of delimiter you want to split by. In this case is a custom, and then we choose by rows this time around, and we have to check split using special characters, and we choose line feed. Then we click on OK, and it can also split it for us row by row. I hope this was helpful. Once we're done with this, we close and load, and we'll have two additional tables here. This is by row, so I can just rename it to row, and this is by column. So whatever way you want, you can always use Power Query to do it for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like if you did, and you can also drop a comment. Thank you.